So here.
Select your connection situation. Let's hit the ellipsis and we'll look at it.
All right.
So you'll see that, first of all, your definition via type of connection scan. That means you're letting the program go out and look in the hinge connector sets and determine what works best. Well, if there's 100 in there that works best, then what's it using? Well, it's using whatever you've used the most of for this database, and that could be before you even got the database. So
okay.
For me, I want to go pick the exact hinge I want to use. So I want to change that to a direct selection.
It's right here?
Yep, direct selection.
Okay.
So now that opens up a field called selection. Okay, what do you want to use? Get that ellipsis. And what hinge do you use?
We use a Silici. Which one?
I don't think I've got any Silicis in here. We can use a generic one for now until we create one. Go down to the WCC cam connectors.
We could use a Blum for now.
Okay, yeah, whatever you want to use. So that's a Blum clip, 100-degree opening and a 0-millimeter base. So that's fine. All right, so where does the machining take place? You guys remember when we did the Texas hinge?
Yes. Yeah, we did.
So,
yeah, I remember this.
So the machining and the drawing block all take place at the connector level. So you want to go up here to your main connector, hit that ellipsis.
Right here. Yes. This looks more familiar.
Right. All right, so you see we got a work group name, that's our machining, and a drawing name is bringing in that bloom drawing, that block. So we want to go to the work group name.
Yeah. Oh, I just close it. What did I do?
Yeah. Hit the arrow by the work group name.
What the hell? My fracture.
Machinings, down to machinings.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Work group name. Hit this. All right, so let's rename this. Just add, if you want to, you can add the word routed cup at the end or something like that, just so it's unique.
I'll just use
Fine, just save it, add it to the list. All right, so you'll see this has 3 holes. The first one is the 35-millimeter hole, and then we have 2 more holes for the insert.
the 8-mil dowel for the
Yep.
screw.
So what we want to do is the first hole, you can see the diameter is 1.37795. That means it's using a 35-millimeter drill bit. Well, you want to route it.
We want to route it.
Yeah, so where it says hole, drop that box down, and you can either do a contour, meaning I'm going to draw the circle I want to route, or we can use a circular pocket.
Where is that? Here?
At the top, yeah, where it says hole, drop that down.
Circular pocket. Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
So it keeps all the info, keeps the insertion point, keeps the diameter, it keeps the depth. And the only question is, do you want to specify a tool, or this will go to one of your default layers you already have set up and cut right?
We could do a T5, which is a 1/2 inch down cut. So do I put T5 or just 5?
Well, first of all, we're going to have to hit that ellipsis by the profile to see if it's set up yet. Hopefully you did. I told you to. Whether you did or not, we'll see.
This one?
Yep. Okay, save and apply. Save and apply. Yeah, that's what you want, right?
Yep. Apply.
Save and apply. And save this. Now, this US cup hinge is assigned to all your default doors, so we've now modified that to a direct selection, so we can just discard, close, and redraw. Okay, it's starting to look a whole lot different. Yep, you don't need to apply it, it's already applied. Just save it.
So just
save it and close.
all right.
So now when you process that out, that's going to be a circular pocket.
Okay, I'm gonna test it. Thanks, Larry. I have this recorded. I'm gonna go back and double check everything and make sure I got it down. Did you ever get a chance to look at the sizes of the machining parts? Why it's off a little bit?
I didn't look at it, but just based on what you said, your email said, it sounds like the tool correction is either wrong or something along those lines. I don't really know what Aaron and them were going to do, but I forwarded it all over to Aaron and Steve and told them we need to get that fixed up for you today.
All right, no problem. Just wondering. All right.
So just keep in mind that any kind of machining that goes with hardware is at the connector level. That's where the drawing block is. That's where all the machining is.
The connector level. Okay.
Yeah. And if your connection situation is set up as a connection scan, that means that you're not specifying what piece of hardware you're using. Really, the only thing, in my mind, the only thing I want to use a connection scan for is drawer slides, so I get the right link to drawer slide.
Okay, that was it. That was a spot we were missing. Yeah. Now we know. Okay.
Yeah, where you were looking at was the linear division. That was just the location of the hinges, which you guys, we kind of talked about that, but you weren't sure what you wanted to do with them. So.
Yeah. Okay. All right. This makes sense now. I'm gonna go and try a couple of stuff.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. Let me know.
All right. Thank you, Larry.
Yep. Talk to you later.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.